Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. So I have an Illustrator file here that contains my vector t-shirt design and I want to convert it into a CDR file. Now there's no option to do this directly in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm gonna go to the Google and search for CorelDRAW web. Click on this link. They provide a 15 days free trial, so we are going to benefit from it. Put your email address in here. It'll ask for the verification. So I'll go to the email, copy the code, and paste it here. Click continue, agree and continue, close any pop-ups and extra tabs. Now you can either import your file from this button or click on file and open. I'll select my file. I'll convert my text into curves and my design is opened. Next click on file and save as. You can see the CDR format here and you can save your file in different versions of CDR. I'll choose 24.0 for this example. Click OK and select the location where you want to save it. After that, press save. Now if I go into my folder, you can see the CDR file here, simple as that. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.